A long time ago, people looked up at the moon and wondered if they would ever be able to touch it. It seemed so far away, like a magical, glowing ball in the sky. Then something amazing happened on July 20th, 1969. Humans stepped foot on the moon for the very first time. This special event was called the Apollo 11 mission. It was organized by NASA, the space agency of the United States. 3 very brave astronauts were chosen for this incredible adventure: Neil Armstrong, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The journey began with a giant rocket called Saturn V. It was one of the most powerful rockets ever made, and it blasted off from Kennedy Space Center in Florida with a tremendous roar. Thousands of people came to watch this remarkable moment, while millions more watched on their televisions from home. As the rocket soared into space, it carried a special spacecraft that had different parts. One of these parts was called the Eagle, which was the lunar module designed to land on the moon. Michael Collins stayed in the command module, orbiting the moon, while Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin climbed into the Eagle. As they flew down to the moon's surface, everyone held their breath. It was a nervous moment because landing on the moon was tricky and had never been done before. Finally, they touched down in a place called the Sea of Tranquility, and Neil Armstrong spoke the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The whole world heard him, and those words became legendary. On the moon, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked around, gathered samples, and took pictures. They were like explorers in a brand new land. They spent over 2 hours on the moon before returning to the Eagle. Afterward, the Eagle made its way back to join Michael Collins in the command module. Then, together, all 3 astronauts came back home to Earth, where they were greeted as heroes. The first moon landing changed history. It showed that with courage, teamwork, and determination, humans could achieve amazing things. Now, looking up at the moon, we know it's not just a shiny ball in the sky, but a place where humans have walked. Please follow and subscribe for more such content.